Hello everyone, welcome back to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Taglog, I will be showing you how to send email using AOL. So first thing is open the AOL application. Now once you're logged in into the application, you will be at the inbox section. So for you to send an email, what you need to do is you need to tap on that pen icon just beside the search icon. Tap on pen icon. It will begin the compose of mail. So first thing, you provide your recipient email address. Now once you typed in the recipient email address, you need to provide the subject of that mail. You can type in the subject or you can just leave the text box empty. Then you type in the body part, that is the main part of the mail, what you want to send it to the mail. So I'm just going to type in a random message. Once you have typed in, all you need to do is tap on send on the top right. This message has no subject. Send anyway, tap on send, and that way you have sent a email using AOL mail. This is a way how you can send a email using AOL. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.